Ford has just pulled off a move that has sent shockwaves through the global auto industry. And the biggest surprise? It challenges the very companies that thought they were leading the electric revolution. While the world races to build EVs, Ford has introduced something that could flip the script entirely. At a time when rivals were locked in battles over battery range and charging speed, Ford was quietly working on an engine that could question the dominance of petrol, diesel, and even electric power in the years to come. This isn't just another engine built for performance or efficiency, it's a breakthrough that could redefine how the auto industry views the future. Ford isn't new to rewriting the rules. With over a century of history, the company has transformed mobility more than once. But this time, the move is so bold that even industry giants have stopped to take notice. Ford has proven that the game isn't only for startups. Legacy players can still reset the field if they're willing to think big. So what exactly is in this engine that has everyone talking? Is it simply another model launch? Or could it be the beginning of a true revolution? Before diving into the details of this groundbreaking innovation, let's take a closer look at how Ford has repositioned itself on the global stage. This 120-year-old giant has re-emerged as a serious contender, standing toe-to-toe with the biggest names in electric and hybrid technology. But in today's world, building cars is only half the battle. The way you connect with customers is just as important. Ford has stepped up here too, expanding digital sales platforms, offering online bookings and delivering software updates directly through the internet, creating a seamless, modern experience for its drivers. Beyond cars, Ford is investing heavily in the future, building massive gigafactories, advancing battery research, and strengthening its sustainability efforts. Today, Ford isn't just a car company. It's a global innovator, proving that even a century-old brand can reinvent itself with fresh thinking. And now, let's talk about the centerpiece of this reinvention, the engine that's keeping competitors awake at night: Ford's EcoBoost technology. This isn't your typical engine. It's been designed with precision to deliver the punch of a larger motor while cutting down fuel use in short, more power, less cost. The secret lies in two innovations: turbocharging and direct fuel injection. The turbocharger recycles exhaust gases to push more air into the engine, squeezing out impressive performance even from smaller builds. Direct fuel injection ensures every drop of fuel is used with maximum efficiency, boosting output while reducing waste. The EcoBoost family comes in multiple sizes, starting with a compact 1 litres that produces a surprising 123 horsepower, scaling up to 1.5 litres with 181 horsepower, and mid-range options like the 2 litres and 2.3 litres, delivering between 250 and 310 horsepower. For heavy-duty needs, there's the 3.5 litres twin-turbo V6, powerful enough to rival a V8, but with far better fuel efficiency. This is Ford's message to the industry. Intelligent engineering can deliver performance, efficiency, and sustainability all in one package. Clearly, Ford has shown how to build technology intelligently: more power with less fuel and less pollution. The EcoBoost is truly an engine built for today's world. These engines meet the demands of modern drivers, perfectly offering strong power, excellent mileage, and minimal environmental impact. Whether you're driving a small car or a heavy truck, EcoBoost technology delivers with no compromise in power and no compromise in fuel savings. In the UK, where strict regulations shape the automotive landscape, Ford has invested £24 million to build a powerful EV testing lab at its Dunton campus. This facility has 8 test rooms that run 24 hours a day, ensuring every engine, electric, hybrid, or petrol, can withstand years of use. Now, let's come to America, the land of trucks. Ford knows this market better than anyone. That's why they introduced the electric version of their popular truck, the F-150 Lightning. This vehicle created a stir the moment it launched. More than 70,000 people booked it in just 1 week, with 90% choosing the most expensive variant and 80% opting for the long-range battery. This clearly shows that people want power, luxury, and technology all in one. Ford's global game plan is clear: focus on affordability in China, strengthen green technology in the UK, and deliver powerful high-performance trucks in the US. But Ford's goal isn't just to make cars, it's to build an ecosystem that includes electric vehicles, charging stations, locally manufactured batteries, and sustainable infrastructure. Ford's Blue Oval City factory in Tennessee is part of this vision, aiming to take EV battery manufacturing to new heights. It's equally suited for drag racing and street driving. When it comes to design, the genius of the ZZ632 becomes truly clear. This engine is a masterclass in balancing immense power, structural integrity, and manageable weight. The key lies in its extensive use of lightweight yet incredibly strong aluminum alloy for core components. By reducing the engine's overall mass compared to traditional cast iron blocks, engineers have greatly improved the power to weight ratio, meaning less energy is spent moving the engine itself and more is used to propel the car forward with explosive force. However, using aluminum presents unique challenges. To handle the extreme stresses of 1000 horsepower, every component has been meticulously designed, optimized, and tested under real-world conditions. At the heart of the engine is a forged steel crankshaft, engineered with precise counterweights and an ultra-strong structure to withstand violent combustion forces without twisting or flexing. The pistons, forged from high-strength aluminum alloy, are designed to minimize friction while enduring immense heat and pressure. Their shape complements the combustion chamber for perfect flame travel and complete fuel burn. These connect to the crankshaft via forged H-beam connecting rods, chosen for their ideal balance of strength and weight, capable of surviving the brutal acceleration and deceleration forces at high RPMs. The cylinder heads, made from the same high-strength aluminum, feature massive, polished intake and exhaust passages that allow air and fuel to flow freely, maximizing performance. Large valves, controlled by a high-lift roller camshaft, open and close with perfect timing to optimize air-fuel flow. The combustion chamber is sculpted for extreme swirl and tumble, ensuring complete combustion and maximum power output. This holistic, no-compromise design, where every lightweight aluminum component is engineered to the highest standards of strength and precision, allows the ZZ632 to deliver its earth-shattering performance reliably, time after time, even at the extreme upper limits of its 7,000 revolutions per minute's range. Now, let's turn to the engine that has truly shaken up the automotive world, the ZZ632 Big Block 5.8. The name is as big as its power. General Motors left no stone unturned while developing this engine. Technology once reserved for race cars is now entering regular production vehicles. This isn't just an engine, it's a mechanical masterpiece. From its sound to its speed, everything about it is designed to impress. When you start it, it feels like the ground itself shakes. Its power is so immense that it feels more like flying a car than driving one. But the question remains, is this engine just about speed, or can it truly change the way we think about automotive performance?